Are you tired of wrist pain, fatigue, or poor posture from long hours at the keyboard? Well, today we've got you covered. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or someone who spends hours at their desk, these keyboards are designed to reduce strain and maximize productivity. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 ergonomic keyboards that promise to bring comfort and efficiency to your typing experience. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's jump right in. Starting of our list at number 5, Logitech 920 011898. The Wave Keys ergonomic keyboard offers an innovative blend of comfort and efficiency, making it a standout choice for those seeking an ergonomic typing experience. Its compact size encourages a more natural shoulder position by allowing the mouse to stay closer to the body, while the wavy design ensures hands, wrists, and forearms remain aligned for all-day typing comfort. The cushioned palm rest with memory foam reduces wrist strain, delivering excellent support throughout prolonged use. Productivity is elevated with customizable shortcuts via the Logitech Options Plus app, allowing users to streamline tasks effortlessly. Certified by United States Ergonomics, this keyboard meets the highest ergonomic standards, ensuring optimal support and functionality. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth or the Logitech Bolt receiver, and the Easy Switch feature provides quick toggling between devices. Designed with sustainability in mind, the keyboard includes certified post-consumer recycled plastic and is certified carbon neutral. Pairing it with the Lift vertical ergonomic mouse completes an ergonomic desk setup tailored for comfort and efficiency. Here is the item number 4, Nulea RT05. The Nulea ergonomic wireless keyboard is a game-changer for anyone seeking exceptional comfort and functionality. Its split, splayed, and curved design promotes a more natural body posture, reducing the risk of fatigue and injury while keeping shoulders relaxed. Seamlessly connecting up to 3 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth or 2.4G USB, it allows effortless switching between tasks with just a button press. The adjustable 7-color backlit design offers a vibrant desk setup with customizable brightness and colors, ensuring style meets practicality. With its USB-C quick charging and an impressive 2000 mAh battery, users can work uninterrupted for extended periods, even with the backlight off. The 4 adjustable tilt legs provide 3 tilt levels for optimal wrist comfort, making long hours of typing pain-free. This keyboard delivers on versatility, durability, and user-centric design, elevating any workspace to the next level. The item number 3, X9 Ergokey. The ergonomic split keyboard is a game-changer for anyone spending long hours at the computer. Its user-focused design reduces wrist discomfort by promoting natural hand positioning, unlike traditional keyboards that can strain the wrists. The integrated cushioned wrist rest provides essential support, keeping hands level with the keys for improved comfort and typing efficiency. With a full-sized 110-key layout, including 17 productivity shortcuts and a numeric keypad, this keyboard is built to boost productivity. Additional features like LED indicators, an adjustable kickstand, and plug-and-play connectivity make it practical and easy to use, perfect for conquering demanding workloads with ease. Number 2 in our list, ProtoArc EK01+. The ProtoArc ergonomic keyboard is a game-changer for comfort and productivity, offering a full-size layout with a curved and split keyframe to reduce wrist and forearm strain while promoting proper posture. Designed for efficiency, its scooped keys fit perfectly to fingertips, making typing a breeze. The cushioned wrist rest provides 54% more support, complemented by adjustable tilt feet with 3 angles for personalized comfort whether sitting or standing. With soft white LED backlighting in 3 brightness levels, typing is effortless even in low light conditions. Seamlessly switch between 3 devices via Bluetooth and 2.4G USB, making it perfect for multitasking across platforms like Windows, Mac, and Android. Its USB-C fast charging and 2000 mAh battery deliver long-lasting power, while the auto sleep mode conserves energy after 60 minutes of inactivity. While this keyboard enhances work efficiency, its larger size requires workspace consideration, making it an ideal choice for those prioritizing ergonomic design and functionality. The top one in our list, Logitech Ergo K860. The Ergo K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard is a standout choice for anyone seeking comfort and efficiency in their typing experience. With its 10-meter wireless range, users enjoy flexibility in setup, whether connected via USB receiver or Bluetooth. The curved, split keyframe promotes a natural typing posture, reducing wrist and forearm muscle strain, while the pillowed wrist rest, enhanced with a memory foam layer, delivers 54% more wrist support and 25% less wrist bending compared to standard keyboards. Typing is precise and fluid thanks to scooped keys that match the shape of fingertips, and the adjustable palm lift ensures optimal wrist positioning with tilt legs offering 0 degrees, -4 degrees, and -7 degrees angles. Certified by United States Ergonomics, this keyboard is proven to improve posture and decrease strain. Additionally, sustainability meets functionality with its 71% recycled plastic construction and FSC-certified packaging. Quiet keys, a full-size layout, and customizable function keys via Logitech Option software make it a comprehensive solution for both comfort and productivity. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best ergonomic keyboards amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.